The Yankees beat the British ships. What a dirty war! Lake Erie was within their grip in a violent, dirty war. They marched north to destroy the mills. What a dirty war! To scorch and burn the lands at will in a violent, a dirty war. Let's build a fire upon the hill, Ruse de Guerre at the Backhouse Mill. The flames and smoke will jump and gyre. We'll fool the Yanks with a big bonfire in a violent, dirty war. The Yanks, they burnt the Dover Mill. What a dirty war! Emptied cellars ate their fill in a violent, dirty war. Then they marched to Ryerson. What a dirty war! Burnt the town for all to see. What a violent, dirty war. Out from Detroit the horsemen came. What a dirty war! To loot and pillage, burn and maim in a violent, dirty war. Light the fire upon the hill, Ruse de Guerre at the Backhouse Mill. Make the flames to jump and gyre. We'll fool the Yanks with a big bonfire in a violent, dirty war. They cheered the pyre near the Backhouse Mill, Ruse of fire up on the hill. The flames they saw did jump and gyre. We'll fool the Yanks with a big bonfire in a violent, dirty war. Well done, lads, they rant and rave. What a dirty war! Now scurry back home to the land of the brave in a violent, dirty war. They left that fire upon the hill, the ruse that saved the Backhouse Mill. The flames and smoke did jump and gyre. The Yanks were fooled by a big bonfire in a violent, dirty war. Now the war is done, but the mill lives on, historic sight in word and song. How the flames did jump and gyre. The mill was saved by the big bonfire in a violent, dirty war. 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 In a violent